everyone, this is Celine from Orimac. What we're looking at is ZTC550H562 ZOOMLION truck crane. It will be shipped from Shanghai. Now come with me. The exterior of the machine is made of high-quality steel, and it adopts ZOOMLION's classic color, gray and green, which makes it not only reduce its weight and make it look beautiful. Now let me show you the machine from bottom to top. The chassis is equipped with a Yuchai engine and a fast 9-speed gearbox, which providing strong power and for the operation and driving of the machine. There are 8-meter outriggers and 15-ton counterweights, making the operation more stable. In addition, the machine has a maximum lifting capacity of 55 tons and adopts a 5-section U-shaped arm. The main boom is length with 12.3 to 48 meters and 2 jibs with lengths of 9.5 meters and 16 meters respectively. The cab is designed with 2 compartments with wide seat and berths as standard. The hydraulic and electrical system have been also fully upgraded, which will making the operation more stable and extending the service life of the machine. As a machinery exporter with 17 years of experience, we also provide other tonnage of cranes, excavators, dump trucks, and forklifts and other machinery. If you have any needs, please contact us. Then, thank you for watching. Bye!